Hey guys, we're going to go ahead and compare the differences and similarities between the NRG Race Hub and the regular hub. So one of the similarities is that they both attach directly onto your vehicle's steering column and pretty much function the same. The main differences between the two are the size and the horn button wiring. As you can see, the regular hub has a few wires in the front as well as a horn contact plate here in the back, so you can keep your vehicle's horn function. In the name of saving space, race hubs do not have this horn wiring, so you will lose that function when moving to a race hub. NRG Race Hubs basically incorporates the functions of a standard NRG hub and the male portion of an NRG quick release into one solid piece. This is a nice way to get rid of some extra inches if you don't need the horn. Now I'm going to show you the even bigger space difference between the two once your quick release is installed. Here we'll take the top half of the SFI quick release, get it on the race hub and engage it. Here you can really tell the difference in size. Now we're going to take the regular 2.0 quick release and get it on the regular short hub, and you can see the difference. Night and day. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time.